Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video, I am going to share with you the importance of reading. And I know very well that you are aware about it, that what is the importance of reading. If we want to learn English language, we want to speak English language, it is very important to read English, right? Everyone knows, so many people are aware about it, that what is the importance of reading, in English, because reading reading plays a pivotal role in English. To learn English, it is very important to read English, right? So why do I want to talk about it? Why I'm going to share with you? Let me tell you. Actually, reading makes us different than others. You know, we read something, if we read something, if we learn from reading, if we learn by reading books or something else, so we learn about something. If we are learning about any story, we are learning any story, we are learning something in that story. So we can get motivation, we can get inspiration. I know very well that these kind of things are normal. Whatever I'm going to share with you, whatever I'm just sharing with you, these things are very normal. But let me just come to the topic, let me just come to the point, what actually I want to say. Okay, see how many benefits we get through reading. When we read something, any book, something, whatever we read, to just learn English, so what kind of benefits we get? So the first benefit is, if we are practicing English, and if we are not practicing English speaking, I'm talking about speaking. For example, I'm not speaking English today, I'm not speaking English. So if I am reading something, so I am reading, and along with that I am speaking also, like both things are being done. I know very well that you may be thinking that what kind of things you are talking about. These things are, we all are aware about it, I know very well. But let me share with you. Actually, we learn, we read English, and along with that we are speaking also. We are speaking and we are reading, both things we are doing. And the third thing is, if we are reading something about any story, about any person, so we learn about that person, the particular person, what he thinks and what he had faced in his or her life. If we are learning something, like so many books, in so many books there are so many people who have written, about their lives, about their biography, that what kind of problems I had to face in my past, and what kind of obstacles, what kind of hardships and problems and obstructions and obstacles, hardships, so many problems they have to face, right? So they tell us their own experience of life in books, by writing, and by about anything, like they just provide us their experience of life. And when we learn about those experience, when we learn about those stories, those little incidents, and about the little experience of life, so we learn the the, I can say, the point that actually what kind of things can be happen with us, what kind of incidents can be happen with us. So we learn so many things through those people. And you know what, the most important thing is, so many people who are most successful people in the world, they read books. Have you ever noticed this thing? Have you ever noticed? I know very well that you must have, you may have. I know that you must have noticed this. You must have noticed this thing in so many people who are successful today. So many people who are successful, there is a one thing is common in so many people. Those people reading books. They may think that yes, today I am successful, now I am successful, there is no need to learn something, there is no need to read any book, just let me just enjoy my life, let me just earn money and just spend it. on luxurious life, on luxurious things, on luxurious, I can say dates, or I can say traveling, or like enjoying, wasting, like spending money on expensive things and just buying and just having fun with that thing, with those things also. And like they could have done so many, they could have enjoyed their lives, but no, they are reading and they are evolving, they are increasing their knowledge. Every single day they are educating themselves, they are learning something new every single day. They are reading books. So why do they read books? Why? Because through this thing, through reading, they are learning, they are knowing the real experience of other people, of other successful people, what kind of problems they had to face in their past. So reading is very very important and very unique habit. And this habit is, you will find it in so many successful people, who are doing great in their lives right now, and they are reading books. Elon Musk, Shah Rukh Khan, and there are so many other people, like Warren Buffett, and a lot of people. So my friend, this is the point. That's why I just want to share with you, never ever leave this habit, reading books. It is very important. And if I talk about the, in terms of English language, if you really want to learn English, so my friend, in English, it plays pivotal role when we want to learn English. And if we are not reading so much, so we may have to face problems, we will have to face problems, I would say. Because when we read, so we can read also, and we can improve our English also, we can speak it also. We are speaking, we are reading, both things are being done. Okay. The third one is, we are improving our pronunciation, we are twisting our tongue according to the words, according to the sentence, right? The more you will read, the better you will become. The more you will read, the fluent you will become. Getting the point? So in English, it is also very important to read every single day something new. Any magazine, any newspaper, any book, anything, whatever you want to read, you can read. And if you are not interested in reading, so my friend, I would suggest you to read something interesting, like, so that you cannot feel bored. Okay, it is very important to have fun whatever we are doing. If we are learning something, so it is very important to enjoy the journey, enjoy learning. Don't just feel it as a burden. Okay, like we are feeling we are reading something and we are not feeling good, we are not feeling like we are enjoying learning, and we are not feeling better while reading something. So that thing is like very like it's boring thing. We will feel lethargic, we feel like we cannot read, and we leave reading, and we think that no, I cannot read, and we don't enjoy, we don't enjoy learning English, and we don't enjoy reading. So first of all, try to read something interesting, something funny. Okay, what I want to say, are you getting the point? Whatever I want to say is all about like enjoying the journey of learning. That day is far from us. That day when we speak English language fluently, it is far, it is very far, it is so far from us. I know very well, it is little far away, but it is far away from us now. But so it is very important to enjoy the journey of learning English. If we are enjoying the journey to reach that destination, before reaching that destination, so it is very important to have fun, to be happy. Don't forget to be happy, don't forget to enjoy the journey of learning something. If you are going somewhere and you are just thinking that when will I go, when will I reach there, when will I arrive there, when, so you will not be enjoying the journey. You will keep thinking that when will I reach there, when will I reach there. So my friend, don't forget to have fun, don't forget to enjoy the journey. Whatever you are, wherever you are going and whatever you are doing, enjoy that journey, be happy, okay, while doing that work. So that is why I am saying that, my friend, if you are reading something and not feeling very like enjoy and not enjoying and not feeling better, so read something interesting. And nowadays on social media everything is available. Instead of watching reels, instead of scrolling phone again and again, just it is very important to just watch any interesting story. You know, there are multiple types of stories are available on YouTube, on social media, about so many things. We can read anytime, anywhere, and whatever we want to read, okay. So it is not a big deal at all, we can read anything. So this is the thing, these kind of things I just want to share with you. So my friend, in this way you can read and you can improve your English language. To speak English language, it is very important to speak it every single day, okay. And yes, one more thing I want to share with you. If you are reading, so don't read like you are just whispering in your mind. You are reading in your mind, you are thinking only that you are reading and not speaking loudly. So my friend, it is very important to read loudly. When you speak loudly, so you are just speaking and you are feeling, you are feeling in your mind whatever you are reading. And in that way, if you learn without, if you read without speaking loudly, so you may forget that thing, you may forget that story, you may forget that quote or whatever you are reading, right? So it is very important to read, but loudly, okay. And I know very well that so many people are reading like this, whatever I am talking about, because nowadays everyone is aware about it. Most of the people are aware about it, these kind of things. But I just really want to share with you, I really wanted to share with you about this thing. So that is why I'm just sharing with you. So my friend, read and have fun. Just don't take it as a burden, okay. Just have fun and enjoy reading. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.